What I look forward in my tools is good reliability, a good power source, and something that will give me good production. I've worked with Makita tools for over 15 years. I stand by that product 100%. The battery lasts very long, it's very smooth, and makes a clean cut, and is a very reliable tool. I like how easy it is to switch to a bevel cut from a straight cut. I like how the guide is. It's very easy, smooth to put in. I like the hook on it. It's very easy to get out of the way and put it away. It's a beautiful saw. It's very light, easy to use. I believe battery will replace cords on job sites. It's a very hard job to hunt down a power cord, get it hooked up, string it out to where you gotta go. When you have a battery, hook it up, go, make your cut, move on to the next spot, make another cut. Very reliable, easy to use. Helps out with my production a lot.